Well, hi guys. So in this video we will be totally focusing on the nginx configuration. So let's get started. So this is the overall thing from end to end. First we need to install the nginx. So we use sudo apt install nginx. Then we have these four commands, the main commands in the nginx. So once you have installed it, so we use nginx -s signal. So these four are the main signals which we give, which we use. So first is this stop, to stop the process fastly. Then the quit, it gracefully stop it. And then basically shut down it. Stop is like a shutdown only. Then reload is to when you edit the configuration file, then you use this command to reload the configuration file. And reopen, and the reopen is used to reopen the log file. Logs of the commands like nginx. Okay, next is these three are the directory in which you can find the nginx.configuration file, which is the main configuration file in the nginx. So these three are the, so any in you can find any of it, the nginx configuration. And then this is the main config, this is the main like code which we write. So now nginx has two things. One is two directives. One is the simple directive, and the another one is the this block directive. So you can see here, like these are the blocks, right? So these blocks are called the block directive, and you can see listen space 8080 colon. So these are called the simple directive, right? Yeah. Now this is how we write in the html html sorry, this is how we write in the nginx.configuration file. So this is the file name, default file name which we use. Okay, now you don't have to worry about anything else right now. Just focus on what I'm saying. First, write http colon, then inside it we will write the server. Okay, so server is the block directive which tells the nginx that this is the server, this is our nginx server, one of the nginx server. We can have multiple servers right now here, but right now we have only the one mcp server, not mcp, sorry, nginx server. Then inside the server, this server will be on the 8080. So whenever the request come from the front end, so the nginx server will be listening it on 8080 port. Then root space slash data, which is the resource directory. So whenever so this I will tell a little bit later after this. Now we have this location directive. Now whenever request is sent, is received from the client, and if the request is matches with this directive, like this one, slash, okay, if request matches with this one, then nginx will send the request to this url, localhost 8080. You can change it so that you guys don't confuse it. 8000, let's say 9000, let's say. Okay, yeah, so we will use this one. So what happens now, whenever the request came to slash port, no, and it matches with this this slash, then this location basically, so it will pass the request to localhost colon 9000 port. Okay, then, and if the request matches, if the url which is through which request is coming, so if it matches with this images location, then the nginx will respond with the resources inside this directory. So slash data and then slash images. Okay, so let's say if you want images, right? So we will request on the we will request through this url slash images slash, then nginx will tell you key this images is inside this data, like this directory. So slash data slash images. Yeah, so that's what nginx is about. and once you write it, you save this file, and then you run this command nginx -s reload. Then it will automatically save your nginx file, and it will, yeah, uh, reload the nginx server based on that only. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.